Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9 NCERT chapter 4 linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables, which is very important chapter. We know the equation in previous classes. Linear equations, one variable we know very well. What is the one variable linear equations? Like x plus 2 is equal to 0. It is given. It is a linear equation is one variable. It means x is equal to equation and expression that you know. Expression means polynomial. It is called equation when equal sign is present there, then it is called the equation. Expression is the polynomials, expressions like x plus 2 is px or quadratic polynomial, linear polynomial. But when equal sign is present, then it is changed into the equation. So here x plus 2 is 0, then x equal to minus 2. We know in the number line. And on the number line we know very well it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is minus 1, it is minus 2, it is minus 3, it is x and it is x dash coordinate geometry you have finished. So that's why x is equal to minus 2. It is your x is equal to minus 2. This very simple way. So it is a one variable. But when the variables used two variables, any question like this is given, if it is given 4x plus 6 is equal to minus 4. So r minus 6 it is given. What will you get? 4x is equal to minus 6 minus 12. So x 4x, then x will be minus 12 by 4, 4 3 are 12. You are getting x is minus 3. So it has a unique solution. Only one solution, one value you are getting, satisfying the equation. So minus 3, when it is called the solution of this equation. When you put minus 3, your result will be 0. So you can express also on the straight line. By this point you can get many lines will pass through. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. X dash x in the coordinate geometry. Then this is here. It is your x is equal to minus 3. So by this equation you are getting 1 point minus 3 comma 0. When you plot this line you can draw this. So this is a one variable. But when it is a two variable, how will you get the two variable? Two variable means cost of pen and pencil together is 20. Cost of pen and pencil. One pen and one pencil together is rupees 50. It means if it is x rupees cost and it is y rupees cost, so x plus y is 50. It is your two variable equation. It is called the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. It is called the linear equation in two variables. Here x and y, two unknown things. You don't know value. So by this you can get a many solution. If the x is equal to 10, then y is equal to 50 minus x. You can get 40. 50 minus 10. You will get the 40. So one answer you are getting 10, 40. Means x is 10 and y is 40. Like this, it depends. Anyone you don't know. If x is 25 rupees, then what is the y? 50 minus 25. 25 rupees. Both the 25 and 25 you can get. If x is 1 rupees, you can get the 49. If x is 6 rupees, you can get the 46. Like this, you can get many answers for this. X depends on I, y, or you can say y depends on x. So this is called the linear equation in two variables. But what is the standard form? What is the standard equation? The standard equation of linear equation in two variables. One variable and two variable. One variable you know. What is the one variable? One variable standard form is ax plus b is equal to 0. It is called one variable standard form where a not equal to 0. If a will be 0, then constant. For two variable, what will you get? For two variable, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Where a, b, c are real number. A, b, c are real numbers. Where a, b, c are real numbers, but a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0. It is your standard form. If a will be 0, then x will be not there, b will be 0, then y will be not there, and c will be 0, no problem. But a and b never 0. If it will be 0, then it is not the two variable, it becomes a one variable. So it is a standard equation of linear equation in two variables where x and y both present. With the help of this, first you find out many questions. For example, in the book given, find the, sometimes you will get write in the standard form. Write the given equation in standard form and then write the value of a, b and c. In the NCERT given, write the equation in standard form. In example 1, what is given? First part, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. It is in the book given. You can write in standard form. What is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It means all the terms should be in the one side. So ax means 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equal to 0. So you get here, compare with the coefficients, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4.37. Minus with minus sign. Why? Because here is a plus sign. Here you are getting negative, so negative sign will be mentioned here. One more is given, x minus 4 is equal to under root 3y. What will you do? X, transpose this all in this side, minus root 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. You write in the proper way, first place x, second place y, third place constant. Then you will get what is compare with the standard form. One time you write the standard form and then what is the standard? A is equal to 1, b is equal to, what is it? Root 3? No, minus root 3 because standard sign plus by. And c is equal to minus 4. It is your answer. Another is given, 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. What is the meaning of this? You will write whole numbers. 0 is equal to 5x minus 3y minus 4. All the term you transpose this side, then sign will be not changed. You can write 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So right side, this you compare ax, bx, y and c. What will be a? 5. What will be b? Minus 3. What will be c? Minus 4. It is your comparison with the standard equation ax plus by plus c. Plus b means plus here minus, then minus y. D part is given in the same example. D part is also given. D means 4 part. 2x is equal to y. 2x is equal to y. What is the 2x is equal to y? You write 2x minus y plus 0 is equal to 0. Why? You want to transpose all the term left side. Which term is not present? You write 0. So compare with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is a? 2. What is b? Nothing is given means 1 is always minus 1 and c is equal to 0. It is your part given. Write the example 2 is given. Write all in the two variable. Example 2, write all the equations in the form of two variable. write each of the following equation in the form of two variable equation. And here, how will you see this? X equal to minus 5. What is given? X is equal to minus 5. So you can write it Rx plus 5 is equal to 0. But it has one variable. You can write this as a x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. It is your equation which you are writing. X means 1x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c. What is A? A is equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 5. Second part is given y equal to 2. Y is given, x is not given. You can write 0x plus 1y minus 2 is equal to 0. Third part is given 2x equal to 3. What will you write? 2x plus. Which term is not given? Y is not given. Which is not given, you put the 0 and y and transpose it, minus 3 is equal to 0. Fourth part is given. Fourth part of the second example of this book, fourth part is given. 5y is equal to 2. 5y is equal to 2. X is not given here. So you can write 0x. Because in standard form, one variable you are converting 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. A is 0, B 5, C minus 2. Any one variable you can write in the two variable like this. Exercise 4.2 will start, 4.1 will start in the next lecture. So first you solve this. That's all today. Thanks.